Hi everyone, my name is Premjit. I am the game designer at Devlogs right now, and we are building a mobile shooter game. And let me introduce myself. I have 5+ years of experience in free-to-play mobile game. So Moksit is my colleague, and he'll introduce now. Hi Moksit.
Hi, hello, thank you. My full name is Mokshit Siudla. Currently, I'm working as a game design intern at Battlebug. I don't have as much experience as Premjit here, but I'm trying to follow their footsteps.
Okay, so we're gonna learn a lot. You just started your career, so much
Yeah,
energy from your side. Okay, can you just tell us what we are going to do today? While
So
I'm managing?
basically today we will be explaining like what our progress is on a shooter game which we are working on currently at Battlebug. So if you don't know Battlebug, it's like a skill-based game platform.
Yeah.
And currently in that platform we are working on a shooter game, mobile shooter game. And for that shooter game we have collected some design assets, or like we are working on the design assets on how to do it. So basically through this live stream we will be showcasing you what we have done and what are the approaches to like do the game designing stuff.
Okay, cool.
at
So
the studio.
yeah, thank you,
Yeah.
Moksit. So let me just go through what we have done in past few days and what situation or current situation we are in right now. So in past 2 to 3 months, we developed the level of the game. So we are not going big. We are just building a 4v4 shooter game right now. First, we want to make it good mechanics and controls for the game. Then we'll expand our level and we'll try more features on the game. But what we did first thing was to making the player control. Adding the guns and finishing the small map. So the map we are doing is a miniature map. We do have small video on that. We should share with them, Moksit, right?
Yeah, it will be helpful to them.
Yeah, cool. The video we have created, like Moksit worked really hard on this. He worked for 7 days after 9 to 5 job and lots of feedback. The good thing is you got so much feedback from entire team, right? The entire art team, entire marketing team, everyone so helped you. So
everyone were so friendly and appreciative, so it was a good feeling to me.
Yeah.
It gave me the satisfaction of making this video at the end.
Yeah, you got so much feedback, not just in game design, but also in art and how to present things beautifully and in simple way.
Yeah, it's actually really helpful for game designers.
Can you hear the video, audio?
Yeah, it's audible.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Moksit. So in Battlebox official channel, you'll get this update, the official update. But in my channel, you'll get all the behind the scene, the BTS of game design. Right? So let's just explain a little bit, Moksit, what we have presented to them. So this is what I was saying. In this YouTube channel, you'll get all the official update. And here is the first look of the shooter game. 1 second. Good. So this is our first look. We were trying to show, but I don't know why you blurred it.
So basically there's a point in why I blurred it. Okay. So in that specific clip, so we were showcasing the guns, how it works and how the VFX of the guns work.
Guns are coming soon, so we cannot reveal it yet.
Yeah, I didn't want to reveal it fully, so I made it blurred so that we can showcase in the next video.
Okay, cool. Now we call it Battleverse. So the name of the game is Battleverse. This is not just one shooter game in the platform. There are lots of other games in the platform, right? Hyper casual games, right? And some casual games too. So like these are 1v1 or single player games. We are creating this shooting game because everyone can meet in one place and like they can play it together. It is a fun place to like hang out or play together.
Mhm.
That's why we are calling Battleverse, but it's not related to the metaverse thing if people are confused. And the next thing is our map theme. So our map theme is a miniature map theme where players are very small, tiny miniatures, and obstacles and the level objects or props are in huge size. They are similar games. We took references. So this is what we have developed in level design. This is just a block out, and this is what our player is playing. So there are some features we are trying to do, like how the level was designed for combat, for fun, and chaos. So this is very small map, right? So very tight map. So there'll be lots of chaos, I think.
The idea is very unique that every character is so small, like fighting on a gaming table.
Yeah.
Like compared to other games, it feels unique.
Yeah, that's how we keep the map very small, so that like everyone can have the fast-paced game.
Yeah.
This is what how the theme was born. Can you explain a little bit, Moxit, how the theme was born? So these are the references for
So
the game. Yes.
so basically, what our idea was that like, what if the game characters came out of a like video game and fought on the gaming table? So that was the basic idea behind the game, and we had a few references from other games. Was it Hypercharge?
Yeah, Hypercharge and Mini Battle Royale.
Yeah, Hypercharge and Mini Battle Royale were the references which we took. Like they had like a similar idea where the characters were so small, they were fighting in a room, and they were all the other environment items were so big. So what we did was we took that similar idea and put it on a gaming table, because most of the players who play our games are gamers, right? So they can relate to it the most, and most of the props around our gaming tables are like Xbox, Wi-Fi box, big monitor screen. So it will be like really like a unique idea, really fun.
Okay, then let's give them something how we started. So this was the basic layout I made when we started, right?
Yeah,
so,
this 2D map.
Yeah, 2D map. This is before everything. This is just a 2D idea for the entire map. I did some research on how other deathmatch map work. I did on PUBG, Valorant, and other games, most shooter games which have deathmatch.
Yeah, most of the maps they are showcased in top-down view, and even this like helps.
Yeah, I found out that all the deathmatch map are symmetrical. As you can see,
Yeah,
right?
that is
so,
one.
Yeah, see,
That is one important aspect in a game. Like if it's not symmetrical, like sometimes what happens, the enemy side can gain advantage compared to the our side. So it will not feel the same fairness in the game.
Yeah, the object placements are symmetrical, but when you go inside it, right, you'll not see these are symmetrical because we do have different theme on both sides. I think Team B spawn we have a PC area where all the props in the levels are designed according to placed according to the PC, and on the side A we have a console area where all the props are designed in a way that you can feel that is a console area. And in the middle, like there are keyboards, mouse, and other like some cans and everything where player can sit and enjoy gaming. And there are some
That's
stickers.
nice, because like strategically the map is symmetrical, but looks wise it doesn't look symmetrical because we are using different props on Team A side and Team B side. But size wise all the props are the same because we have to maintain the symmetricity, right? So that's a good thing.
Thank you, Moxit, for explaining.
I mean, you did most of the work here, so.
Not me. We do have a very good level designer and 3D artist and concept artist.
Yeah.
There's so many people behind this. Right, we must give credit to them. So
Yeah.
every small thing you're seeing this, right? What is this? Power bank. So these are all came from concept artists and came to the production with 3D artists. Then we placed it on the level, we tested it, we optimized it, the texture, everything. Then it came here.
It was months of work.
Yeah, it was
So shout out to them.
Yes. This has some combat feature, I think. Yeah, fair spawn, balanced combat, creative flanks, climb routes, all in one area. Why we choose five different five different things here, because we wanted player to have some strategy. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, climbing routes, open mid area. This will make player make some strategy. That's why we added all these things.
It would have been boring if it was just a flat gaming table. So
Yeah.
like some climbing routes, some open areas, it
Some
would add
flanks.
spice to the game.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. The spawn areas.
Or the PC area and console area, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this is the last part. So level blockout is complete. We are replacing blocks with concept art now. This is already done. Most of the things are done now. The video you are seeing is I think 2 weeks old. Now we are a little bit ahead. So FPS performance is still going on. We have characters and character customization in our platform. So we are doing FPS testing with the new character and multiplayer things. What's next? Next is we have 10 plus weapons with unique mechanics. Also we have character customization. This is for the people who is going to play the game and give us feedback to make the
Probably in the next video which will be released, we'll be explaining about the guns which will be released, and in this channel we'll be explaining about the, as Ranjit said, behind the scenes of creating all those guns and quick mechanics.
So developers are working right now on the gun system right now. We also the character. There are two things going on parallel. So whichever comes first, we'll do that.
So this basically whatever we showed, that is the work I've done so far. I didn't get to explain everything in this just in this stream. So tomorrow we'll continue with explaining whatever was left.
Yeah.
And using these streams, you can even understand how game designing like works.
Thank you everyone. Bye bye.